Have you ever wondered how to be a billionaire? I want you to think about the answer to this question. There are many people out there working jobs they hate or doing tasks they don't like to make money and make ends meet. There are many people in third world countries or homeless people because they do not know the answer to this question. I have spent many hours researching this question and I have the answer for you. His name is Naveen Jain and he is a billionaire. This is from the documentary How to Be a Billionaire and it can be seen for free on Tubi. I will put the link in the description so you can watch it also. The documentary is 48 minutes long. The answer to how to be a billionaire is two parts. The first is to solve a $10 billion problem. The second answer is to solve a problem, sell it for $1, and give it to 1 billion people. I will show a clip of Jain talking about this, and I will show another clip of his son talking about it. His children were so confident in becoming future billionaires that they even challenged Jain and said they would make more money than him. Here are the clips.
So you know how to make $1 billion? You solve a $10 billion problem.
And here's the second clip.
If you're solving problems, you're doing good in the world. And if you're doing good and you're solving problems in the world, you're gonna make a shit ton of money.
If you can solve a problem that affects 1 billion people, and even if you only got $1 out of each of those people, you'd still make $1 billion.